Hello from TickerDD. My name is Lily. This video is part of the third generation of our automated video series on price and volume analysis for specific stock tickers along with news analysis. This third generation includes an initial model for short interest. As always, this auto-generated video is for entertainment purposes only. No warranty, guarantee, or factual assertions are stated, marketed, or sold in this commentary video, which can contain errors. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Review important disclaimer at the end of the video. Now that we have made our lawyers happy, capitalist brothers and sisters, let's get started. ACVA went public on March 24, 2021, which was roughly 2 years and 11 months ago. Looking back 650 calendar days from Monday, February 5, 2024 to Thursday, April 28, 2022, we found 445 applicable trade dates for use in our analysis of this ticker, which has a market capitalization of about $2.3 billion. Based on available licensed data, we think that the company, ACVA Auctions Inc., that is behind this ticker has 2,000 full-time employees. Consider that number to be an estimate and not an exact count. The chart shown on this page is our initial attempt at studying the price for ACVA after dynamically normalizing price distribution across those discovered trade dates. The bar chart is the generated distribution and the overlaid line graph, if it is generated, is the frequency of the prices on the x-axis. We will enhance this look-through as our model progresses in the next iteration. Remember that this is just a drafted, in progress, observational model to best fit abstracted third-party data into various opinionated views. What percentage of shares were shorted for ACVA, for the 2-week period, ending on settlement date, the 12th of January 2024? About 7.7 million shares of ACVA were shorted out of a total of approximately 136.2 million outstanding shares. Therefore, for ACVA, based on as is, discovered, public data when this video was generated, the ticker has a short interest of roughly 5.63%, which I got by taking the number of shorted shared and dividing it by the number of outstanding shares to get the percentage value. Days to cover is 6.68. When I compare the current 2-week period data snapshot against the previous period, ending in settlement date, December 29, 2023, I find that the current snapshot had roughly 257.3 thousand less shares shorted. This means that, compared to the previous snapshot, the current snapshot has a decrease of minus 3.25% of shorted shares. Zooming out, I looked across 49 2-week snapshots, from latest found, the 12th of January 2024 to oldest found, January 14, 2022. In the graph, I overlaid bi-weekly percentage change in short interests against days to cover. Across these 49 2-week snapshots, the average percentage change of short interest was about 2.24%. Other interesting data points include: the largest percentage increase in short interest was 52.01%. It occurred once on June 30, 2022 settlement date. The largest percentage decrease in short interest found across those 49 2-week snapshots was minus 21.78%. It occurred once on March 15, 2022 settlement date. The average days to cover was about 6.22. The biggest days to cover was 11.44 and it happened once on April 14, 2023 settlement date.
Hello. My name is Sam. What were recent headline news for ACVA? Today, Wednesday, February 7, 2024, I sampled one of our news aggregators for latest headlines for this ticker. I did so by searching specifically by a keyword that may appear, broadly, in the title or the body, of discoverable news articles. The keyword that I used was a combination of the exchange and the ticker symbol, NASDAQ. ACVA. The results shows 10 unique headlines, published across 8 unique dates. Publication dates span 24 days. The latest publication was Monday, February 5, 2024, when Defense World published the headline that read, New York State Common Retirement Fund sells 615,945 shares of ACVA Auctions. The oldest publication was on Friday, January 12, 2024, when 1 month and 26 days ago, MarketBeat published the headline that read, ACV auctions position lowered by Iridian Asset Management LLC Court. One other headline was found on this oldest publication date. Defense World published the headline that read, SG Americas Securities LLC has $373,000 stock position in ACV auctions. This oldest date was actually one of the days with the most headlines. The oldest publication date was one of 2 days with the most found headlines. The day saw price change of -2.10% after the ticker opened the day trading at $14.31 to then closed at $14.01. Saturday, January 20, 2024 and Friday, January 12, 2024 had the most headlines. They each had 2 discovered headlines. On Saturday, January 20, 2024. First, MarketBeat published the headline that read, Murray Asset Global Investments Company Limited has $3.07 million stock holdings in ACV auctions. Second, Defense World published the headline that read, Murray Asset Global Investments Company Limited has $3.07 million stock holdings in ACV auctions. Then, for the second day with the most discovered headlines, on Friday, January 12, 2024. First, MarketBeat published the headline that read, ACV auctions position lowered by Iridian Asset Management LLC Court. Correlated or not, as it happened, the stock price for ACVA on those publication dates respectively saw a jump of 3.89% along with a drop of -2.10% when comparing the day's opening versus closing price. What was end-of-day price and volume for ACVA? On Monday, February 5, 2024, ACVA had an end-of-day price of $13.90 and volume of about 0.8 million. Compared to the previous trading day, the price jumped 2.2%, gaining 30 cents, while volume dropped 10.43%, decreasing about 0.1 million. The graph shows price and volume for the last 15 trade dates. Across a range of $1.09, the max and minimum end-of-day price were respectively 14.06 and 12.97. Volume saw a range of 770.9 thousand, from a day low of 528.9 thousand to a day high of 1.3 million.
Hello, my name is Magnus. How did the 5th of February 2024 rank for ACVA? By 650 calendar day. Look back to April 28, 2022, across 445 trading days, of which the 5th of February 2024 price ranked 161 while its volume ranked 340. Each of the 445 trading days were ranked amongst themselves by highest end-of-day price and volume, with a rank of 1 being the highest and 445 being the lowest ranked day. The price's day-over-day percentage change, jumping 2.2% on the 5th of February 2024, had a day rank of 104 while its dollar difference of 30 cents had a rank of 94 when compared day over day across 444 trading days. Volume's percentage change and difference were ranked respectively at 269 and 258.
Hello, my name is Maria. Which quartile did the 5th of February 2024 price and volume land? Across a sample size of 445 trading days, the maximum end-of-day price for ACVA was $18.32 while the minimum was $6.35. Within that price range, the 5th of February 2024 price, of $13.09, landed within the third quartile, placing it within the 50% to 75% range of all sampled end-of-day prices. The day's volume landed within the first quartile, at the bottom 25% of all sampled daily volume, which saw a max daily volume of 17 million and a minimum of 193.4 thousand. Quartiles tell us about the spread of a data set by breaking that data set into quarters, just like how the median breaks the set into half. Descriptively, ACVA has a median price of $12.24. Therefore, the 5th of February 2024 price was higher from that middle marker by 13.56%. The day's volume of 0.8 million was less than the median by 24.98%.
Hello, my name is Claire. How were price and volume averages for ACVA? Across 445 trading days, there were a total of 21 month ends, of which monthly averages for daily price and volume were calculated. Overall, monthly price average trended up while monthly volume average trended down. The maximum end-of-month average price was $17.58 for 06/2023, while the minimum was $6.96 for 07/2022. Looking at volume, 06/2022 and 10/2023 respectively saw the highest and lowest monthly average volume at 2.6 million and 793.6 thousand.
Hello, my name is John. What were end-of-month percentage change averages in price and volume for ACVA? The monthly average of percentage change in price and in volume were calculated for each of the 21-month ends. That calculation took daily percentage changes and averaged them for each given month. If a month end came out negative, then it means that the month summarily saw a negative change. From 04/2022 to 12/2023, 12 out of 21 month ends had a positive percentage change in average price. That is, 57% of month ends saw a positive percentage change in average price. In terms of volume, 20 out of 21 month ends had a positive percentage change. That is, 95% of month ends saw a positive percentage change in average volume. Price saw an end-of-month max of 1.33% in average percentage change, along with a minimum of -8.12%. For volume, the maximum and the minimum monthly percentage change were respectively 52.15% and -2.17%.
Hello. My name is Cameron. Before we continue, remember to like and subscribe to TickerDD on YouTube. Leave a comment below and share why you like or don't like this ticker. This video is one of many videos off subjective observational data models that we are building out as part of a docuseries about building supportive technologies for personal use, through trial and error. My capitalistic brothers and sisters, join the TickerDD army. Subscribe today. Now, back to the video. Has ACVA price reached golden or death crosses? Golden cross and death cross are basic signals that compare average prices across two specified trade day ranges, a short-term versus a long-term range. For example, 5-day versus 10 trade days. Essentially, a golden cross is a bullish signal. It appears when a ticker's short-term moving average crosses above its long-term average. Vice versa, a death cross is a bearish signal when the short-term crosses below its long-term moving average. For our opinionated analysis off third-party and abstracted data, we decided to look at both simple moving average, SMA, and exponential moving average, EMA. The latter calculates moving average by giving more weighting to recent prices. For EMA, you can be the judge. Look at the generated graph on this page. Has the 50-day EMA line, which is in red, crossed above or crossed below the 200-day EMA line, which is in black? If no crossing can be seen, then no signal could be had. The blue line is daily end-of-day prices. For simple moving average, by comparing 50 to 200 days, we found a bearish death cross signal because the 50-day SMA crossed below the 200-day. Continuing with SMA, we looked across the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20, and the 30 to 50-day ranges to see if golden and death crosses had been reached. We found death cross signal for the 10 to 20. We could not find neither golden cross nor death cross signal for the 5 to 10, the 30 to 50.
Hello, my name is Carl. I searched the public web to find information about the company that is behind this ticker. My search took too long, so here is a quick view. ACVA operates in the consumer cyclical sector. The ticker is listed in the auto and truck dealerships industry. For now, let's take a look at how often particular end-of-day prices occurred. Across 445 trade dates, the top 10 most frequent end-of-day prices were 1. $8.40, happened 5 times, 2. $8.39, happened 4 times, 3. $8.58, happened 4 times, 4. $6.91, happened, 3 times, 5. $7.23, happened, 3 times, 6. $7.93, happened, 3 times, 7. $8.48, happened, 3 times, 8. $8.69, happened, 3 times, 9. $8.83, happened, 3 times, 10. $8.88, happened, 3 times.